Today, I'm going to be educating some of the newer people in the hobby of keycap clones, what they are, how to look out for them, and should you buy them. So, let's get started. What are keycap clones? You're probably thinking, this is an easy question to answer. And you're right, it is. Keycap clones are pretty much cheaper versions of existing sets. With that said, the clones come with a big but. Clones are that much cheaper, you're guaranteed to get keycaps that are blurry. Some might even be crooked, and depending on the material they use, the keycaps will shine much quicker and will last a shorter amount of time. That's pretty much all you need to know about what keycap clones actually are, but how can you actually tell if this is a clone set or not? To spot these clone sellers, I like to use the method pretty much goes price, colorway, and random name. Prices usually vary from around $20 to $40. Colorway, these companies usually use some of the extremely popular sets, including like GMK, Olivia, Hammerhead, Striker, Samurai, Botanical. Definitely more sets cloned, but these are the ones I've seen cloned the most. And random name, Gligging, High Kit, Mint Caps. Those are some of the most popular sellers. Now let's move on to the final part of the video, my own personal opinion on keycap clones, aka should you actually buy them or not. There's kind of a moral dilemma for buying clones, and that is it's not benefiting the designer of the keycaps at all. I think that if you're able to spend the money and buy the original keycaps, then you should buy the originals instead of buying clones. However, if you're on a budget or you just can't find the set anywhere, I think that you should buy clones in the future. If you're able to buy a real set, I think that you should and upgrade your clones to a real set. Anyways, those are my thoughts and feelings on clones, and I hope that you maybe learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and this is the end of the video.
Look at this and be like, this is perfect.